Hi guys, welcome to the instructional video for ashkan's indicator. I would like to introduce the indicator to you and go through different settings. I think you all know how to install an indicator, so I will skip this and go directly into the charts and to the template. And yeah, let's see how this indicator performs. First things to mention is it is a beta version, so it's not fully developed yet, and yeah, I hope we can work on this together. Second thing to mention is that this indicator is designed to be a help and an aid to your trading, and that an arrow doesn't replace the trader because it's called trading. As you can see from the picture on the screen, don't trade the arrow, okay? We are all here to learn how to trade, how to use strategies for our trading, how to use systems for our trading, but we are not the kind of people that blindly follow any arrow on any chart, okay? You will blow your account on this. We want to engage our thinking, our brains, and we want to develop some kind of trading intelligence. Yeah, so that's from my side. Let's jump to the chart. As you can see, this is ashkan's template with the added Bollinger Band. First, in his first version, he had the cork. Now we use the Bollinger Band. We have the Forex MTM, the Vertex mod indicator, and an RSI set to 14 with the levels 70 and 30. The hard rules are that we have to have a dot on the MTN, that the red line has to break the -6 or +6 level from the vertex indicator, and that the RSI line has to break the 70 or 30 level 2 to enter a trade. When you download it from Google Drive, the indicators from Google Drive, you got two indicators. First one is the ashkan beta indicator, it's this one. The other one is the CHT value chart 2.5.3, I believe. And why I added the value chart I will show you in a second. Voila, I have added a value chart indicator to my chart here to show you something. And as you can see from the value chart, every time it breaks the level 8 or -8, we have this little red dot here, or wick, how you want to call it, or head. And as you can see, the value chart level 8 matches the Forex MTN dots every time. Every time. You see this? You see this here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these indicator match. And to make this indicator as flexible as possible, I have chosen to take the value chart, because what we can do with the value chart is we can change these levels. You know, the Forex MTM will always display these dots when a certain level is reached. We cannot change it. Nothing to change here. But with the value chart, we have the possibility to increase these values and so filter out some more bad signals. Okay, so that's why I added the value chart. My suggestion is to add the ashkan indicator to the standard ashkan template to see how it performs and to see how it works. Don't use it alone in the first time until you get a feeling for what it does. Another thing is you can leave the Forex MTM on the chart to get something like a pre-signal, a warning signal. A potential trade is coming up. Be ready. Wait for the ashcan arrow or something like that. Okay. Good. So now I can delete the value chart. We don't need it for the purpose of showing the indicator. I will leave the other indicators on. And now let's see. Okay. As I said, the indicator follows hard rules. And maybe someone who's following the strategy would have taken this trade here. You can see we have a red dot, we have a break above 6 from the vertex indicator, and we have the RSI barely touching, breaking the 70 level. Actually is 69.93, so it isn't 70. It's not broken. Maybe we have, from a visual trading, we have would have taken it, but the indicator completely ignores this trade. Now it's time to check the indicator settings and explain them to you. Okay. Now here it is. First, okay, arrow space, arrow code, you can set this to your liking. Alert on current means that an arrow appears on the current candle. You can set this to false. Then we have the strategy settings. What I added additionally to the strategy is the possibility to set this setting to true. It means BBB break, which means vertex signal Bollinger Bands must be broken too. You know, the original rules are that this red line goes above 6. To have a more stronger signal, I have added the rule that this line has to break the 6 line and has to break the Bollinger Band. But you can set this to false if you only want to use the breaking of the line. So false will be the default setting for the original strategy. Then use RSI, use value chart to true. Then we have a candle filter. What does it mean? I hope I can show you an example from the chart as we go through the charts in a moment. But candle filter means the following. Let's say we have a call signal, but the signal candle is already a green candle, which means that price already went into our desired direction, and the probability for the price to not go much higher is potentially there. So we can activate this filter and say that if I have a call signal on a green candle, ignore it. If I have a put signal on an already red candle, ignore this signal too. Okay? Then we have the Bollinger Band settings. These settings pertain to the price, to the candlesticks, not to the vertex indicator, but to the actual Bollinger Band on the chart. You can set this to false if you want to. Then we have all the vertex settings, you know, from the original indicator. These are default settings, and we have the RSI settings as mentioned in the strategy, and value chart settings to 8 and -8 to give us the same signals as the Forex MTM. Okay, good. Let's see if we have some signals on the charts. So here we have our first signal. Why do we have this signal? Because you can see that price is above 70, Forex MTM is a red dot, price is outside the Bollinger Band, and the red line broke the +6 level. Okay, so this would be a trade according to rules. And our first winner, by the way. Here we have another signal. As you can see, all criteria are fulfilled, and we have a nice winning signal. Same here, nice winning signal. Same here, winning signal. What this strategy completely ignores are the repainting blue arrows from the original strategy. My advice to you would to cancel them from your chart, because the alert is completely annoying. As you know, it totally repaints all these fixed arrows. Would have appeared, I believe, first one here, and then you would have five to six signals in a row, so you can completely knock it off the chart. Okay, this video will end in 10 seconds, so get ready for part 2 of this video.